wabarakatuh. My name is Iqra. I study in class LKG in Iqra Islamic school. Today I want to talk something about my school. My school is wonderful. I love my school very much. I learn here many new things. I learn here how to read, write and love one another. My teachers are very kind and helpful. They teach us English, Hindi, math, Arabic, science and everything that will help us to grow in this world. They also teach us Quran, Hadith, good manners and du'as so we can act upon them and save our akhirah. I love my school because it makes me a better person. I pray that Allah bless this school. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
वेरी ब्यूटीफुल अतिका अख्तर. ये तो वाकई में छोटा पैक बड़ा धमाका था. नाउ लेट्स मूव टू आवर नेक्स्ट प्रोग्राम.